Hello! Okay, sorry if I scared you. But today we're going to be learning about homophones. What are homophones exactly? Homophones are words that sound the same but are spelled differently and mean different things. In today's PowerPoint, you're going to learn about your and your. Spelled differently, sounding the same, and they have different meanings. So what are you going to learn by the end of this presentation? Well, you'll learn the difference between your and your. And you'll also know when to use these words. It's astounding how many people don't know the difference. And they're in university. So if you're having some problems with this, it's fine. I'll talk you through it and you're going to learn. So here we go. Alright, when someone says your, or when someone writes your, they're talking about something you own. Your jacket looks nice. You own your jacket, so use your. This version of your is possessive, which basically means you possess what you're talking or writing about. Possess means something that is yours. Here's a tip. In a sentence, replace your with my and see if it makes sense. My jacket looks nice. It works. Then there's your with an apostrophe. This your is a shortcut version of saying you are when describing another person. Instead of writing or saying two words, you are, you combine them by sticking them together. You are. Then replacing the A in are with an apostrophe, that old thing at the top. And you get your. You're really good at dancing. Tip. In a sentence, replace your with you are and see if it makes sense. You are really good at dancing. It works. Test time. Can you tell me if these are right or wrong? So number 1, mind your own business. Number 2, you're awesome. Number 3, you're welcome. So I'm going to talk you through the answers. A. None of these answers are wrong. B. 1 is right, 2 and 3 are wrong. C. 2 and 3 are right, 1 is wrong. D. 1 and 2 are right, 3 is wrong. And E. All the answers are wrong. Psst, over here. Don't forget about the tips I taught you. Replace your with my and see if it makes sense. And then replace the your with an apostrophe with you are and see if that makes sense. Good luck. Drum roll, please. No, I sound like an angry cat. Sorry about that. Anyway, the answer is E. All the answers are wrong. So, let's go over them. Mind your own business. One's business is something personal, a person's private knowledge or activity. So since this person owns their business, you use your. The focus is on owning something. Now, let's try replacing your with mine. Mind my own business. It makes a bit more sense if we're part of a larger sentence like, I mind my own business. Then it works. And number 2 and 3 are simple. You're awesome, you're welcome. Replace your with you are. So you just say, you are awesome, you are welcome. They work. Okay, we're almost over. I just want to review one more time so I know you're 100% good with the difference between your and your. Alright, so your without an apostrophe. When to use it? When you're talking about the ownership of something. And how to test it? Replace your with my. So here's some examples. Your hair is so cool. Test it. My hair is so cool. Good. Test it again. You're going to meet me at 6 p.m. Test. My going to meet me at 6 p.m. Yeah, no, incorrect. Now, you're with an apostrophe. You use it when you're trying to describe someone else. The way to test it? Replace your with you are. So here's another example. You're my best friend. Test. You are my best friend. Good. I like your backpack. Test. I like your backpack. Not so great. Okay, so hopefully you've understood the difference between your and my job is done. See you around.